So this lovely plant is Ceanothus Yankee Point. This one gets about 3 feet tall by, give or take, close to 6 feet wide. Flowers in the spring, the flowers are kind of a cobalt blue color. Needs very minimal water. And what's interesting about this is it's not completely upright. It mounds. So it is a mounding ceanothus. But it will also work well not just in the ground, but also in pottery. So it will grow in containers. I wish it was in bloom so I could show you what the bloom looks like, but unfortunately not. Oh well. Blooms in the spring. Or I guess now we're being tricked. There's a budding bloom yet to come out. So if you want a nice mound of cobalt in your garden in the spring, this is perfect. Or it'll just be green year round.